Good morning, everybody. Today we're working on our first quick build where we're building models for use in the Game Design 1 class. Part of that process includes making the model in 3ds Max and then exporting it out so we can import it into Unity. Here we have a very simple model that I built. It's simply a cube with an edit poly. I did some insetting and some extrusion on it. Now I have a nice little companion cube for my game. To export that, I'm going to go ahead and have it selected. I'm going to come up to File, Export, and then there are several different things that we can choose, but I'm going to choose Export Selected. In this particular case, I want it to be an FBX. There are a lot of different formats. One of the easiest to use is an FBX, and that is a model type that carries textures and animations with it. So let's go ahead and give this a name. We'll call this Cube 001. And I want to make sure that I'm keeping things organized. So in my project folder, I simply created a folder called Exported Models, and that's where I'm going to put it. I hit Save. It's going to ask me some questions. I can leave this at the default. It's going to ask me what I want to include, if there's any animation, to make sure I include the animation, cameras, lights, and all that kind of stuff. That was one of the reasons that I had it selected, so that I only export what is selected. And I'll say OK. And what that did now is that created a model file called an FBX that I can now bring into Unity. So if I look at my project folder, we'll see that in the Max files, exported models, I now have Cube 001 3D object. And then this is simply the 3D viewer that comes built in with Windows now. Kind of handy way just to view your 3D models. You can play with the light, you can color them, and so on and so forth. But that's not really the point. The point is that we made a FBX, and now once you have created all of your models, I would like you to zip them together. So if you're not sure how to do that, be sure and watch this part. We simply highlight all the files we want to include, right click, and say Send to Compressed Folder. So one looks like a zipper. That is what you're going to submit for this assignment. Good luck, and y'all have a great day.